Hello, friends. We are starting our organized self employment ministry 49th session from Shardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717. Under the leadership of Amiteshwar Jha, Amit Kumar Jha, who is me, and with Truth Only Trumps, the book written by me, from room number 1 to 6, with Labour Party of India, with fist of the hand as symbol, with worshipping with both hands, for making the concept organized concept, for working, a right of pension fundamental right of pension after 14 year, for self-earning, self-income, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing to certain ministry office fundamental right, direct link to ministry and budget, preamble wise organized employed, preamble wise organized self-employed. We should have 3 budget system: annual budget 108 ministry, railway budget 1 ministry, and organized self-employment ministry for our infinite population, infinite profession by the signature method, and hence we will give birth to the under the guidance of Amiteshwar Jha and Amit Kumar Jha, that is me, the democratic documented signature Hindu 6 unborn family. So let us worship with the hand, folding hands, and Pushpanjali and Aarti, room number 1, Shiv Puran, shadow 12 document and 135 crore Shiv Shakti shadow documents of Mandir. Room number 2, Vishnu Puran, Ramayana and Bhagavad Gita and Amit Puran, folded hand, live money, 12 shadow Jyotir Mandir and 175 crore Jyotir Mandir of Vishnu Lakshmi, Ram Sita, Krish Radha, Amita Vilasa, Chaturbhuj Lakshmi, Prabhu Lakshmi, live money. Shiv Parvati has welfare power. Room number 3, Brahma Saraswati, law education, ISBN certificate of truth only terms on which we are working, 8190186002X, copyright number 954/03/CUL. Started work on 31st August 2001 in singular form, and 6 unborn family from 16 February 2002 in 6 unborn family. So with organized worship for the session and worship and Pushpanjali and Aarti between 31st August to 31st August to 11 September every year, and 16 February to 26 February every year, with 6 unborn pair of Hindu god and goddess, Pushpanjali Aarti, and then immersion of the ideal in the Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati, Kaveri, Krishna, Kaveri, all the rivers of India. Those who follow Amiteshwarism and Amit Kumar Jhaism, Amiteshwar Jhaism. So ISBN certificates of 12 spiritual Hindu Sanatan Dharma book and 175 crore ISBN certificate of all the Hindus of all materialistic birth, with 12 Jyotir book of Hindu materialistic, Bharat Ratna, Padam Shri and Nobel Prize who have lived in India. Room number 4, Adi Shakti Jagdamba, Jai Hindu, Adi Shakti Jagdamba, Durga Sapsati and Devi Bhagwat, 12 shadow documents of Adi Shakti Jagdamba all over India, and 12 shadow 175 crore shadow document of Adi Shakti Jagdamba Mandir all over India, and 12 Jyotir Bharat Ratna Padam Shri ISBN certificate of Hindu woman, and room number 5 each united Varshkrit god and goddess, Mithila Varshkrit, all the Varshkrit north, south, east, west, central India of Hindus, and 18 Puranas, 108 Upanishad, 4 Vedas, ISBN certificate 175 crore ISBN Varshkrit of India, and room number 6 the Constitution of India, and 31st August 1946 Clement Attlee authority letter for making interim government, 15 interim government certificate and shadow certificate, and the 299 constitutional shadow certificate, and Parliament, RBI, Supreme Court, bureaucracy, army, police, secretariat, shadow certificate. We are starting with Pushpanjali Aarti so that we can make organized self-employment ministry and documented path by the signature method in democracy, and self and constitutional validity on income work can be got, and we should become self-employed government servant, and we will have the double salary, one from the private sector which we are working according to our circumstances, and one created by the Amiteshwar Jha, Amit Kumar Jha, truth only terms, Labour Party of India, fist of the hand efforts with root and non-violence, unity and democracy, and debate with the democratic documented economy of Hindu unborn 6 family and 4 generation. We have to understand that the organized self-employment ministry is the requirement of today, and it was the requirement of 26 January 1950. The time has changed, but the requirement is same. Requirement is employment in organized manner, and this is only possible when the work will be done on that basis. As this fiscal credit table is in my hand, and it signifies that we should be documented in universally with the uniform system. We all political party democratic president should signature on the constitutional validity on income work, which is the new beginning era of uniform system, and ideology should come to all political party, no matter what they are fixing, that should be done, because all class is being understood, because the illiterates, the signature known, the 5th pass, the 8th pass, the 10th pass, the +2 pass, the graduate passed, the postgraduate pass, the delayed pass, the MPhil pass, and the PhD pass and double PhD pass. All have their chambers in this organized self-employment ministry. Only thing is that the uniform signature on the constitutional validity on income work is not there, and therefore only we are doing this Labour Party of India fist of the hand session, 49th session I am organizing, and I am trying to make you understand that this constitutional validity will give us fiscal credit salary, and fiscal credit salary will be per day salary, because one framework has been taken on our earning through the signature, shadow signature, so that we can be able to form a public opinion on a democratic process, and we can become self-employed government servant through the public money, because public is getting benefit from this, because public utility and public money is for public utility purpose only. And we all should become the vote bank. As Labour Party of India Fist of the Hand main motto is democracy, documented signature, Hindu Sikhs unborn economy with human capital. As we are also trying to make educational certificate in capital value, means each educational certificate which we are going to get after the signature will be forming us a human capital, and employment will be created by giving validity on our work, because we are infinite population and infinite profession, and all are clever and all are smart, but our signature is one. Our guardian of democracy is our political party president. They are ruling us in organized manner from 26 January 1950. We have to acknowledge room number 1 to 6. One room is of devoted politician. It can be of any 1 to 6. One room is of devoted industrialist. It can be any 1 to 6, as we all Aadhaar card has taken birth in any of this family. One room is of devoted educationist, Hindu scientist, Hindu lawyers, Hindu editors. This can be of anyone, any 1 to 6 room. One room is of Adi Shakti Jagdamba, the Hindu woman. She can take birth in any of them, as we have taken birth in any of them. One room is of the truth and non-violence. It can be of 1 to 6 any, and one room is of the government, Hindu government. So 2020 Aadhaar card we are trying to organize public opinion from home, and work from home and work from office. Both concept is coming in that, because one fixed office is made in the organized self-employment ministry according to the chambers of illiterate signature known 5th pass, 10th pass, 8th pass, 12th pass, graduate pass, postgraduate pass chambers, delayed pass, MPhil pass chambers, and PhD pass chambers. And according to the age 18, 32, 46, 58 year we are joining and we are sitting, and 4 years we are promoted. One table and one work is fixed. In whichever room we are taking birth, we are becoming preamble wise organized employed, preamble wise organized self-employed. Our understanding is that we have to realize that we all are earning by signaturing constitutional validity on income and work. We will be able to make the opinion that politicians earning is also generating employment per day, because a politician starts doing work and after 30 years 40 years acknowledgement is achieved and it become hard. Here business and politicians both are working in Shardapur together, by the signature method and by the understanding each other that Aadhaar card is required for the work of each office. So 20 crore Aadhaar card has been put, and on that basis organized opinion is being made. We have to acknowledge by the signature method. We have three economy already: mixed economy, capitalist economy and socialist economy. This is democratic documented signature Hindu Sikhs unborn economy. 12 Jyotir Mandir shadow documents we are taking as the proof that we are moving with organized civilization, and we will authorized in this by trust signature of the uniform public opinion which the Labour Party is making by the initiative from Shardapur Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 63973 60717, mobile number 63973 and with truth only terms book. You can purchase also the literatures of the organized self-employment ministry in English and Hindi from me at the lowest rate by calling me and paying me at the lowest rate on the mail, and in this way from the Shardapur Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407 at the very lowest rate. And we have to understand that this democracy documented signature economy is guarantee one, as the signature will be given. I was telling you that we have 750 MPs already organized. So 700 and 4,500 MLAs all over the 29 state and 6 union territories. So if we are taking 6 national family, so 750 into 6 is equal to 4,500 national families we already have, and that signature democratic 6 unborn family will make us understand that we are the sons and daughters of Kailas Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddam, Adi Shakti, Jagdamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham and government Dham. Therefore, I have put this document in the Rashtrapati Bhavan shape and Governor House shape and tried to put the public opinion for signaturing and putting in one Rashtrapati Bhavan, that is 26 January 1950. So that Rashtrapati Bhavan wise we are being transferred centrally and state wise, in which we state according to the Governor House allotted by our Chief Minister and opposition leaders. And automatically national feeling and state feeling will go with us, and per month fiscal credit salary will go with us. So 4,500 into 6, that means 27,000 state families will be automatically be attached, and automatically this document economy will generate self-employment government job. One office and one job will be always fixed, and our Hindu women will be living in the 4th Rashtrapati Bhavan, that is Women Rashtrapati Bhavan, that is Adi Shakti Jagdamba Rashtrapati Bhavan, 12 documented Hindu Mandir and 175 crore documented Hindu Mandir shadow documents, and then 12 materialistic book of Hindu Bharat Ratna and Padam Shri and the 175 crore ISBN certificate of the Hindu woman. So automatically the organized movement will be there. We have to understand that on this basis we will be able to form the public opinion on a very strong mood, because this is the way we can be able to form the various types of the great type of culture which will make us a strong civilization, because at all times we will support each other centrally and state wise. It is possible that in this system that the prime minister can transfer us in Kailash Dham Rashtrapati Bhavan, and our state chief minister has transferred to the Vaikuntha, because we are from the mother side also attached and we are from the father side also attached. This is the logic behind this. We have to understand this thing. And employment wise, in organized self employment ministry, we will be free, because we can transfer ourselves to the any cities by the organized self employment ministry, and we will have the double salary in that, because the state public opinion is different and the central public opinion is different. The money is coming from the central. So in this way, this system will generate double salary, and we will be benefited from this system. We have to adopt this system for the development. So we have to understand one more thing, that suppose fiscal credit salary of the illiterate is 165 rupees. So we can save the money also. Suppose 7 days 165 rupees we are getting. So fiscal credit salary is coming around about 5,000 rupees. But if weekly we are keeping Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or in any of the 3 alternative day fast, so 165 into 3, 495 rupees by the fast we can save the money, because it is a documented economy and we have the double salary. I am talking of my economy, democratic documented signature economy, which I am putting through Labour Party of India, fist of the hand. So 165 into 3, 495 rupees we have saved. 7 days of week, 3 days we can choose as Somvari, Mangalwari, Budhwari, Brahspatwari, Shukrwari, Shaniwari, Raviwari, any types of 7 days are there. So 3 days we are saying, so we are saving 495 rupees. Now if we are saving on the weekly basis 495 rupees, so in the last of the month, it will be round about 2080 rupees. The money which will be able to save, it will be 2080 rupees. And according to that, if we will continue on the, it will be 1980 rupees in the one month, 1980 rupees. And if we are saving on a yearly basis, because here everyone is getting fiscal credit salary, and minimum fiscal credit I have put 165 rupees. So if we are choosing in 7 days 3 days for fast, so 165 into 3, it is coming 495 rupees weekly saving we are doing. And if we are saving weekly 495 rupees, so 495 into 4, we are getting 1900, we are getting 1980 rupees per month saving. 1980 rupees, 20 rupees less than 2000, so 1980 rupees. And if we are continuing for 12 months, so in the end of the year we are able to say 23,760. And if we are putting in organized self-employed ministry bank in this way, because here we are making a documented economy. No matter if we all political party are sitting together and making is less value, because it is possible, because I am trying to put the constitutional validity on this. Constitutional validity on this I am putting. Constitutional validity on income work, which is being made on the basis of the work we are on the poor level, because below poverty line we have 21.1% people, and educated also we have the level of that. So according to the human capital, it is increasing. So on one level we are generating the employment, because the constitutional validity has been given on income and work. So if 165 into 3 days if we are choosing, so 495, and 495 into 4, it is 1980 rupees monthly, and if we are putting it 12 month, it is coming 1980 into 12, it is coming 23,760. So that much yearly we are saving. And apart from this, yearly degree is also available, which has the educational value in that, because it is documented system by the public opinion of Amiteshwar Jha, Amit Kumar Jha, Labour Party of India, fist of the hand. We can join hand by signaturing on the political president basis, and if we will move on the documented method, one political status is given, because our ancestor before 31st August 1946, they did not took money, they spended their money for the economy, and they made mixed economy. We are developing. I have tried to make the public opinion 30,000 per month above earner and 30,000 per month below earner. So 30,000 per month above earner is income tax real payer, and 30,000 per month below earner is not real payer, because they are not able to pay tax. Indirect tax we are paying. So in that circumstances, the income problem is always there, and employment status problem is always there, because job vendors, very few of them are able to keep the stability of the job. And here we are fixing one educational value. If we all political party president are signing, political party president status and stature is so high that we all follow. What Pandit Nehru followed, we all political, multi-political party followed. What our Prime Minister follow, we all follow. And I have tried to put our God and Goddess shadow document in front of us in room number 126, 1212 Jyotir. It can be also put according to the political party president, because it is very important, because whom we think as superpower. On that basis, we are the sons and daughters of this. It is certain that we Hindus of Sanatan Dharma are the sons of the Shiv Shakti Mandir, Vishnu Lakshmi Mandir, Ram Sita Mandir, Krishna Radha Mandir, Brahma Saraswati Mandir, that is ISBN Mandir, Adi Shakti Jagdamba Mandir, each united, God and God Varshkrit Mandir, and governmentary Mandirs. On that basis, mixed economy was formed on 31st August 1946, and validity was given, and then now we are in the stage of this 2021. Commencing from the Amiteshwar Jha, Amit Kumar Jha, 31st August 2001. I am continuously doing this, 21 year in the progress, from 2001 up till to 19 years, and then 21, 20 years, and this is 20, this is 21, so 21th year of the progress of my session. So on this method, we are able to save money also, and it is not like that Indian economy, 3 other economy sons and daughters are earning. Capitalists are also earning, socialist economy is also earning, and mixed economy is also earning. This is from the Labour Party of India, fist of the hand, Sardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407. Amiteshwar Jha, Amit Kumar Jha, that is me from my side. This output which I am getting from this side, and on the signaturing the political party president, we give the validity that politicians earning, we speak a lot. If we are making the demarcation line 30,000 per month below and 30,000 per month above, and organized self employment ministry income tax are checking, strictly if we are checking, so it will be maintained. It can be adjusted because finance minister under the prime minister's chief minister can advise that now inflation is 28,000 or 26,000 or 35,000, because time will pass. Because my opinion is that in 1947 it was 3,000 rupees. The one it was 30 rupees per month. The one who was able to earn 30 rupees per month. Now it has reached to 30,000. So we have to understand that in 1947 30 rupees per month earner was considered as rich society. So here we have to make this signature economy, because by this each and every one is becoming government job, self-employment government job, and fiscal credit is coming, and we are safe also. Both we are signating, we are joining to the central government and state government. One salary will be given. On that basis we have to opt, we are state government, as the population share is there. Because salary will be given, fiscal credit salary will be given on one side, prime minister or the chief minister side. That will be one. Because preamble wise organized, it will inform, we can make the sharing on that for the administration. So it is possible, we have to join hand, and this will give validity to the constitutional validity on income work, that a political person is also generating employment, not only by the practice of the politics, because practice of politics is also a good work. Because on one side educational practice is also going on, because educational certificate is also being validated. There is freedom to become human capital, because Labour Party of India motto is to become human capital with becoming vote bank. Because if they are connected with the ministry, vote bank will be connected on the election day. If 100%, abhi just now up till 75 year the position is 60% maximum polling is gone on the average. So if we all are attentive, 100% voting is being done, automatically it will be idealistic achievement, and our employment is also attached, because 100% employment is being generated by the signature method. Because we have to report only on the optional basis, because our work has been given, and whatever our senior will tell like optional work, this work is there, we are taking salary on that. So automatically by joining this, and the political manager is being formed, because political can make a code pen time managers, and it can be explained. One universal principle we will make 30,000 below, and whatever political manifestos we will make, that can be done on that basis, because 130 crore population is involved, and all political party, if signature will be done, automatically all political party members will follow, because seniors we follow. As I will do, so my followers will follow. That principle is that as the senior is doing, similarly the junior starts doing. Because one successful seniors try to allure the other juniors, and on that basis everyone. Because first work, first sale, and first innovation is required. So we have to understand that signature is important, and that we will keep as a national document, because on that basis we will try to make the public opinion, and we will try to make it. My concept is that, like if we are putting truth only terms, the welfare and life, difference is 73 years. Life and law difference is 73 years according to my concept, Amit Ishwar Jha and Amit Kumar Ji. Difference between the law and the non-widow husband, all male member, it is 73 years. Vice versa, truth savior 73 years and time husband, Hindu time husband 73 years. Means 6 unborn family are there. By the signature, we are surrendering in the constitutional validity on work in the democratic documented 6 unborn family of Hindu to the 26th January 1950 Rashtrapati Bhavan and Governor House, and on that we are taking fiscal credit salary. And optional is there because as the voting is there, we have the optional, we have the photo election card, we are not going. Those who are not taking, not to worry, because they have sufficient. Why they will take this? But we require that because one status is there and a regular income is there. We understand that a self-employment government is a statusful thing, and I am working on this from 31st August 2001 in singular way and 16 February 2002 as 6 unborn way in a document. Similarly, between power and money, 73-year difference is there. Money and education, 73 years difference. All are female characters. Education and family, 73 years difference is there. Family and truth savior, 73 years difference is there. And truth saviors and time wife, Hindu type wife, 73 years difference is there. So 73 years common difference is between 6 characters, and wife husband relationship is 20 round about 27 years. Welfare and power, they are wife husband. Life and money, they are wife husband. So 26-year difference of meeting is there. Round about 27 years. Law and education, wife husband, 27 years round about. And family and non-widow husband, 27 years. And truth savior and truth savior, 27 years. And time husband and time 27 years. This we have to understand the characters of the truth only terms, because on that basis the work is being created in the character, and then we are making a organized setup between 31st August to 11th September and 26th February to 16th February to 26th February. 6 Murti we are making, 6 idol we are making in the organized self-employment industry. Shiv Parvati, that is welfare power. Vishnu Lakshmi, that is life money. Brahma Sarati, that is law education. Adi Shakti Jagadamba and a non-Buddhism, that is family and a non-Buddhism, and each united Varshkrit god and goddess. Hindu Varshkrit god and goddess, that is truth savior, and government, that is time husband, time wife. 6 unborn family, whom son's daughter we are by the signature method, and we are surrendering to the 26th January 1950 by the signature method. And 750 MP into 6, 4,500 national families, and 4,500 MLAs into 6, that is 27,000 state families. Automatically village families all are attaching, and by direct ministry and direct budget connection we are becoming a democratic documented economy by Amit Ishwar Jha, Amit Kumar Jha, truth only terms concept. And we all are free and meeting again between the 26th February to 16th February to 26th February and 31st August to 11th September. Pushpanjali Aarti, all Vedic puja we are doing, and then Murti Visarjan in the 10th day or 11th day with the great favor of Hinduism. We have to understand our all work is being united. Politician work dignified, industrial work dignified, educationist, Hindu scientist, Hindu editor, Hindu lawyers work dignified, Hindu women work dignified, Hindu truth non-violence dignified, Hindu government dignified. And we are making a mark, Trishul vermilion, Shiv Parvati welfare power, Chakra Vermilion, Vishnu Lakshmi Lime Money, Kamandal Vermilion, Brahma Saraswati Law Education, Trinetra Vermilion, Durga non-veto husband, Shiva non-veto husband, Varshkrit Vermilion, and the book Vermilion, that is Hindu Varshkrit, Tutseveris, Varshkriteshwari, and government Vermilion, that is time husband, time wife. That is, on this basis we are making. So we have to understand. So with this view, I am concluding with the system of Labour Party of India, Fist of the Hand, Organized Self-Employment Ministry at Sardapur, room number 126, Amiteshwar Jha, Amit Kumar Jha, with all 20x6 Aadhaar card, 30,000 per month above, 30,000 per month below, and 750 MPs and 4,500 MLAs into 6. That is 700 into 6. That is 4,500 and 4,500 into 6. That is 27,000. We all Pushpanjali and Arti, Shiv Puran, room number 1, 12 Jyotir, shadow document of Shiv, Parvati, welfare power, and shadow document 175 crore, Mandir, Pushpanjali Arti, and then Vishnu Puran, Ramayana and Bhagavad Gita, Amit Puran, 12 Jyotir Mandir shadow document and 175 crore shadow document, room number 3, ISBN, certificate with truth only terms, 8190186012, copyright number 95/03, starting from 31st August 2001 and then 16 February 2002, and then organize 31st August to 11 September Puja and 16 February to 26 February Puja Aarti, then Visarjan with worship of the ISBN certificate 175 crore, 12 Sanatan Dharm Jyotir certificate, Brahma Saraswati Law Education, then room number 4 Adi Shakti Jagdamba, 12 Jyotir Adi Jagdamba document and 175 crore Adi Shakti Jagdamba document and 112 Jyotir materialistic book of Adi Shakti Jagdamba, and room number 5 Hindu Varshkrit, Mithila Varshkrit, all Varshkrit, north, south, east, west, Hindu central Varshkrit, and the 100 Upanishad, 18 Puranas, and the 4 Vedas, worship Pushpanjali, and then Aarti, and then room number 6 government registry, Clement Attlee document of Independence Act, then 15 interim government certificate and 299 constitutional member certificate, and then the constitutional certificate from 1947 till now, and Parliament, Advice, Supreme Court, bureaucracy, army, police, secretariat, organized settlement. We are making this session of Organized Self-Employment Ministry, 49th session of Organized Self-Employment Ministry, Sardapur, Lonavar, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717, room number 126, ending with Pushpanjali Aarti, so that we can make Organized Self-Employment Ministry and budget. Thank you.